Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the often overlooked symptoms of kidney failure. Many people are unaware of the subtle signs that can indicate a serious issue with kidney health. We'll explore these symptoms, from fatigue and swelling to changes in urination, and discuss why recognizing them early is crucial for effective intervention. By the end of this video, you'll better understand how to spot these warning signs and take proactive steps to protect your kidney health. Let's get started. Before diving deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Sign 1. Fatigue and weakness. Persistent fatigue and weakness can be early indicators of kidney failure. The kidneys are vital in filtering waste and maintaining overall health. When kidney function declines, toxins build up, decreasing energy levels. Many people mistakenly attribute these symptoms to general tiredness or stress. But paying attention is essential. If you feel unusually fatigued, consider monitoring your energy levels closely, and don't hesitate to seek medical advice if you're concerned. Your health matters. Sign 2. Changes in urine patterns can significantly indicate kidney issues. Pay attention to the frequency, color, and consistency of your urine. For instance, increased frequency or dark-colored urine may signal a problem. These changes are often easily overlooked in our busy lives, but can provide crucial insights into kidney health. Keeping track of your urination habits and noting any unusual patterns is essential. If you notice anything concerning, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation. Sign 3. Swelling in extremities. Swelling in the legs, ankles, or feet can indicate fluid retention due to kidney failure. When the kidneys aren't functioning correctly, they struggle to remove excess fluid and waste from the body, leading to swelling. This symptom can often be mistaken for heart issues or standing too long. It's crucial to pay attention to any unusual swelling you experience. If you notice persistent or unexplained swelling, consult a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying issues. Your health is essential. Sign 4. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath can be a concerning symptom, and in the context of kidney failure, it often results from fluid buildup in the lungs. When kidneys are not functioning properly, excess fluid can accumulate, leading to respiratory difficulties. This symptom is frequently misattributed to other respiratory issues, such as asthma or anxiety. However, seeking immediate medical attention is crucial if you experience severe shortness of breath. Recognizing the connection between kidney function and respiratory health can be vital for timely intervention. Your well-being matters. Sign 5. Nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting can be alarming symptoms and may indicate kidney failure, often dismissed as stomach issues. When kidney function is impaired, toxins build up, leading to gastrointestinal distress. These symptoms are frequently confused with common gastrointestinal problems, making it easy to overlook their significance. If you experience persistent nausea or vomiting, paying attention and consulting a doctor is essential. These signs can be crucial for addressing potential kidney issues and prioritizing your health. Sign 6. Metallic taste in mouth. A metallic taste in the mouth can be an unusual yet significant symptom of kidney failure, often resulting from the buildup of waste products in the body. As kidney function declines, the accumulation of toxins can alter your sense of taste, leading to this unpleasant sensation. Many may overlook this symptom, attributing it to dietary changes or food preferences. However, if you experience a persistent metallic taste, it's essential to consider it seriously and consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation. Your health is vital. Sign 7. High blood pressure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is closely linked to kidney function and can be a sign of kidney failure. The kidneys regulate blood pressure by managing fluid balance and producing hormones. When kidney function declines, it can lead to increased blood pressure due to fluid retention and hormonal imbalances. Regular blood pressure monitoring is essential for early detection of potential issues. If you notice elevated blood pressure readings, don't hesitate to seek medical advice to address any underlying concerns. Your health is a priority. Sign 8. Itchy skin. Itchy skin can be an uncomfortable symptom and may indicate kidney failure, as the buildup of toxins in the body can lead to skin irritations. Healthy kidneys help filter waste. These toxins can cause various skin conditions when they fail. This symptom is often mistaken for allergies or dry skin, leading to misdiagnosis. If you experience persistent itching that doesn't improve with typical remedies, it's essential to consult a dermatologist or healthcare provider. Addressing this symptom early can help protect your overall health. Sign 9. Anemia. Anemia is common in kidney failure, leading to symptoms like weakness and paleness. The kidneys produce erythropoietin, a hormone that stimulates red blood cell production. When kidney function declines, erythropoietin levels drop, resulting in fewer red blood cells and anemia. This condition is often overlooked and mistaken for simple fatigue, making it easy to dismiss. If you experience unexplained fatigue or notice other symptoms of anemia, it's essential to get blood tests to assess your health. Early detection can make a significant difference. Sign 10. Difficulty concentrating. Difficulty concentrating can be a subtle yet significant symptom of kidney failure, often arising from the accumulation of toxins in the body. When kidney function declines, these toxins can affect mental clarity and focus, leading to cognitive issues. Many people mistakenly attribute this symptom to stress or fatigue, overlooking its potential connection to kidney health. If you notice significant changes in your ability to concentrate or think clearly, seeking help is essential. Consulting a healthcare professional can provide valuable insights and support for your well-being. We explored 10 key signs of kidney failure: fatigue and weakness, changes in urination, swelling in extremities, shortness of breath, nausea and vomiting, metallic taste in the mouth, high blood pressure, itchy skin, anemia, and difficulty concentrating. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial for early detection and intervention, which can significantly impact your health. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more health-related content. Your engagement helps us spread awareness and support others in need.